If you've lost access to your Bank of the West account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Bank of the West website. Go to the official Bank of the West website. Look for the Sign In option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Provide account information. Enter the required information such as your account number, email address, and any other requested details. This information helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you cannot use your phone number, look for alternative recovery options provided, such as answering security questions or receiving an email verification link. Step 5. Follow instructions to reset your password. Once you receive the verification through your chosen method, follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Create a new password that meets the security requirements. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Bank of the West account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.